Hello everyone. Ano ba yan? Hindi na ako sanay magtagalog. Dubai, life mo ba is mag-e-end na ba talaga? Goodbye Dubai na ba? Kung gusto mong magkaroon ng face na ganito, sige, uwi ka ng Pinas. Just lang. Anyway, thank you so much. You've been a blessing talaga sa life ko. Laking tulong mo, alam mo yan. Si Bo ay isang halimbawa, buhay na halimbawa ng totoong kaibigan. Don't worry Bo, pag umuwi ka dito, may barkada ka pa rin, may kaibigan kang naghihintay sa'yo. Magtambay tayo, basta libre mo kape. I love you!
Hi, madam, to my future business partner. Good luck. See you soon. And love yes. Charep. Tagay. As always, ang cup ko pala, huwag mong kalimutan.
Wait lang. Ay, tita. Pulit ka na gidya. Kung hindi ka kasama Pinas, balik lang dire Idlawan din kami sa imo.
Hi, tita. Hindi ko gusto mag-ibit lang ako. Thank you sa tanan. Thank you sa bulig. Kamu ni tita dya, ang mga isa sa mga nagbulig, ang mga naging rason kung ari kami subong, ari kami ni Abi, nakakanto kami medyo nag-okay ang pangabuhi. Nakabulig-bulig na kanananay kang tatay. Time mo naman na magpahuway, syempre after 17 years. Syempre para makaupod naman si Lulu kang si Lula. Balikan na lang din kung gusto mo magbakasyon. Muna, good luck basi sa Iloilo ka pa makakita sang amigo, sang palamanhon kag muna, thank you gid sa tanan, balaan mo na love you, thank you. Ano pa dali mamiss ka namon dire. Muna, basta mamiss ka namon dire kasi syempre ikaw pero ang naging rason nga magkita-kita kami sa mga friends. Lapuri, nila Kat, nila Kai. Una sana usita siya ang una puli, subong ikaw naman, daw kasubo lang. Pero, ano tawag dun? Happy naman kami para sa imo, syempre, para makapahuway ka naman. Thank you, Liwat. Ano tawag na? Congratulations on your retirement. Love you. Halong lang perme. Tani, okay kami ni Abby nga, maskin wala ka na dire, wala na kamo. Kami na lang gede. After 17 years, deserve mo naman na nga syempre, mapahuway ka. Upod mo na sila lolo tsaka si lola. Syempre, mga tigulang naman sila. Deserve mo na magpahuway after 17 years nga amo na.
Hi, Ay! Good luck sa iyo sa retirement mo at sa bagong journey ng buhay. Thank you for being part of our life.
Ingat ka din, Ate Ay. Enjoy your retirement. We love you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tay. Pinaghandaan ko talaga to. Charot. Hindi, kakagaling ko lang sa online interview. Might as well gawin ko na to. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya simulan or how. Kasi, syempre, mixed emotions. Masaya ako kasi finally, makakauwi ka na after years mo sa UAE. Apakatagal mo na rin naging or nakipagsapalaran sa UAE. Hindi ka man mag-isa pero alam namin na gusto mo na rin umuwi and to be with your family, to start a new chapter. Pero at the same time, malungkot ako kasi alam ko kung gaano kalungkot ang umuwi and dapat iiyak ako. Basta ganun, masaya ako para sa'yo, Ate Ay. Sobrang thankful ako na naging part ka ng buhay ko and you've been a really good friend to us. Naging parang ikaw na yung ate namin. Naging sandalan ka namin. May problem man kami, ganyan. Kasi dapat sabi ko masaya lang. Siyempre, ang dami natin na pagdaanan, yung friendship natin, maraming tawanan, tiyakan, inuman, food trip, coffee adventures natin, yung mga chikahan hanggang madaling araw. So sabi ko, namimiss ko yun, hanggang na nandito ako na parang wala akong mayaya, wala akong one call away, na para kasing napakalaking adjustment din nung nandito na ako. Tapos, totally shut down. Parang fault ko din naman na parang na ako, na medyo hindi ako ganun masyado nag-reach out. Pero, alam niyo yan na namimiss ko kayo. Pasulpot-sulpot lang ako. Alam ko hindi magiging madali yung adjustment ulit dahil iba ang Pinas iba ang Pinas, iba ang UAE. Pero kilala kita, ate, matatag ka, and madiskarte. Kaya nga tumagal sa UAE. And kahit yung persona mo is like intimidating, mabuti pa rin ang puso mo. I'm so proud of you sa parang sa
nakapag-decide na umuwi for good. And alam ko naman na you'll do even better sa Pinas, back home. Huwag mo kaming kakalimutan. 1 message away pa rin naman. Ganun pa din, keep in touch. Nandito lang kami, talong for you. And kung saswertehin man, sana makamit tayo halfway kung saan mang parte ng mundo yan. Magsama-sama ulit tayong 4. And kahit magkahiwalay na tayo and different time zone, isang message lang, isang kamusta lang, andyan ako palagi, alam mo yan. And ingat ka palagi. I pray for you na sana maging masaya kahit nasa Pilipinas, sana mag-bloom pa yung mga businesses and projects mo. And sana you'll find peace and fulfillment in your heart, na kasi alam ko deserve mo yan dahil pinakita mo naman din sa amin na very transparent ka and all. And love you, Ate Ai. I'll miss you. Parang nasa Dubai. I miss all of you. See you soon. Video call, isang chat, isang kahit ano lang man na form of communication. I'm always available and ready to answer you all. Talongs, I miss you. And sana yung band ganun pa din kahit nasa different places na tayo. Andito lang naman pa din ako. Ako yung unang nawala sa UAE. Pero alam ko at the end, magkikita-kita tayo somewhere else around the world. Next BTS concert. Alam ko yan. Thank you! Thank you sa memories. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. And enjoy Pinas. Huwag kang magpapastress. Huwag kang, malaki talagang bilihin. Pero kaya yan. Madam ka.
Hi, Ate Ai. I didn't expect myself to make this kind of video kasi hindi ko rin naman in-expect na magtatagal ako dito. First of all, I just want to say thank you for being one of my good friends and being my first actually friend here in Dubai na nag-guide dito, like how to adjust and how to cope with the challenges I am about to face. With those 8 years na naging friend kita, sobrang grateful ako kasi you're not just become my friend but also become my ate here. Lalo na sa mga times na unforeseen, na nahirapan ako dito. Nung nawala si daddy, and nawala si ate dito, like, naiwan ako mag-isa. But nandyan kayo lagi nilakat for me, to support me. I always wish you the best sa susunod na journey mo sa Pilipinas, and I hope na bumalik ka pa rin. Charot. Ang wish ko sa'yo is sana mahanap mo na there ang the one sa Philippines, at ako naman ang bibisita sa'yo sa Iloilo. Ayun, sana mahanap mo yung true self mo, like yung magpapasaya sa'yo forever, like for a lifetime. Ayun lang, I don't want to make this longer. You know the rest, how thankful I am and how grateful I am and how happy I am that I have met you. So, sana we can see each other more sa concert, sa travel, ganyan. And ayun lang, I wish you the best and happiness and all the love that you deserve. I love you, ate. Thank you so much and bon voyage!
I don't know where to start because I don't want to say goodbye. But, ate, thank you so much for being the best ate I never had. Oh my God, I'm crying. Kasi hindi ko alam. I don't want to say farewell or anything till we meet again. Salamat sa lahat and thank you for opening your warm hugs. Your warm embrace, for letting me into your heart. Sobrang mamimiss kita. Kung sino man makakapanood nito, I don't care. That's why I put filter, girl. Well, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna see you in the Philippines soon. And salamat sa lahat ng lectures, lessons, and I'm always grateful. Na hindi man tayo ganun talaga katagal. Well, I don't know, since I became an army, 3 years. But those precious years, sobrang dami ko natutunan sa'yo. And I know, sinabi ko na sa'yo naman, I'm one of those people who definitely protect you at all costs. Kasi alam ko kung gaano kabuti yung puso mo. Kung gaano ka-pure yung heart mo. Especially, I really adore you kung paano pag-protektahan yung family mo. You're a really good provider, a really good friend, and a real ate. I'll see you soon. I love you. Your favorite army.
Hi, madam. Ay, nako. I didn't want to make the video actually. Kasi pinuput off ko siya. Now, one day na mag-prefer when video ako to you. Malungkot, yes. Pero actually excited din ako for you na you'll get some time, well-deserved time off. I know you will still be working sa Pinas with your side businesses. Hope that grows more and be long-lasting as well to support you while you're there and your family. Wala akong masabi na masyadong dramatic na message, pero I think when I look back, you've been there day one. Nag-click tayo nung sa elevator pa dahil sa kay Taehyung sa na drama. And then we became travel buddies. Ikaw yung nag-push sa akin na mag-apply lang na visa, sige lang, go lang. Then you were also pushing us to like save up para makatravel lang mas maluwag. And I just know that we'll meet soon. We'll meet again. Kung hindi man kami pupunta dyan, alam ko na sponsoran ka ni Kaya na pumunta ng Dubai. Ako nasa visa, siya nasa flight. Basta may tabi, ho! So, ang advice ko lang, pag-uwi ka ng Pinas, take some time off, connect with your family. I know you've been here for a long time. So well-deserved rest talaga. And hard. Lalo na Pinas, knowing Pinas. May pressure na dapat kaya mo dahil nandun, parang gano'n. I know you get me. Pero like, kilala kita, matalino ka sa pera, matalino ka sa businesses. I will always pray na magiging successful ka pa rin. Tuloy-tuloy. And kung hindi man makahanap ng love life, pero I think you will. Just remember na you have yourself, you have your family, you have your friends, us here, and andun sila po, sila mo, sila Donnie. So, I'm glad that you won't feel alone. I know that you will be there, connected with our old friends who are still before. So, ayun. Miss you already and love you always. Bye, Ai.
Hi Irene! I'd like to thank you for being a good friend, for everything, for always there for me. Sana maging okay lahat ng plans mo, maging successful for your business, for your family, and your plans to yourself, and sa good health, and ayun, good luck, and I will miss you in our bonding, and I love you.
Surprise! Hope you're having a lovely time at your party. Your leaving party, Irene, maybe 14, 15 years in Dubai, how you've thrived. Hope you have a fantastic party. It was great to be associated and working with you for so long. You did a great job for me. We're all proud of you, what you've achieved for your family and for your friends. And that's why they're trying the party. Thank you for everything you have done. We'll always be in touch, and you deserve everything you've got. You've been fantastic. Enjoy. See ya.